briefing nila. So sa akin lang po, parang nahihirapan ako as a lawyer and a lawyer in the Senate to say that they did not intend it to be immediately executory because they said this knowing that there already was a motion for recon and knowing that we are going to have this discussion today because we made this date public that on this day we will have this discussion. So again, I'm trying hard to see how, other than disposing of the case using our residual powers following the instructions of the Supreme Court, we can further debate this issue. That is my dilemma, dear colleagues, Mr. President.
May I offer an answer, Mr. President?
Of course.
Pasensya na po kayo kung gagamit po ako ng paghahalimbawa. Nung pong kayo po ay medyo bata-bata po, Madam Senator, meron pong lumigaw sigurado sa inyo. Yung
Wag na
unang
ho
lumigaw
natin
sa inyo
pasukin
talagang...
yung diskusyon na yon. Hahaba ho ito. Mas mahaba po sa debate ng impeachment.
Ganito po yun eh. Tinapat nyo talaga. Ayaw nyo magtagal pa yun eh. At tama naman po yung ginawa ninyo. Ipinakita nyo sa kanya, pinaramdam nyo sa kanya talagang wala siyang maasahan kaysa mapagod pa siya. Talagang wala siyang maasahan kaysa mapagod pa siya.
Sino ho
Pero
yun?
ang sabi niya sa inyo, ang sabi po niya sa inyo, pwede bang ako'y kahit papaano'y dadalaw-dalaw pa rin? Parang nag-MR. Nasa sayo yun. That will not change my mind. Ganun din po yun eh. Ang Korte Suprema, sa ganitong, Mr. President, the very tenor of the decision, kahit na po sinabi niya, sige, nasa sayo. Formality na lamang po yun, Mr. President. You are a trial lawyer. Most of us here became trial lawyers. This is our experience. Huwag po nating pahirapan yun. Sana man lang kung ang decision po 8-7. Yun po pwede nating pagtalunan po. Wala po talaga
If I may, Mr. President,